Hello, welcome back. So you started a YouTube channel, you're excited, you're pumped, and naturally you want to share it with the people closest to you, your friends, maybe your family. But let me stop you right there. Don't tell them, not yet, maybe not ever. So why keep it a secret? Most people assume that their biggest supporters will be the people that they know in real life, and that seems quite logical, right? You expect your family to subscribe, your friends to share, and your close circle of friends to be your best audience and supporters. But here's the reality. First, they might not care about the content that you're actually making, and that's okay. Your YouTube channel is your passion, but it doesn't mean that it's theirs. Most friends and family aren't deeply interested in your niche. Whether it's gaming, tech reviews, personal finance, fitness, whatever it is, they might give you pity or a pity subscribe, but they won't engage, and engagement is what really matters in YouTube. Secondly, they might be judgmental. Some people, they just don't get the whole YouTube thing. They might see it as maybe a hobby, a phase, or even something that maybe is a little bit embarrassing for you. They'll ask, why are you even wasting your time doing this? Do you really think that you'll make any money from it? That kind of negativity is going to kill your motivation before you're even able to get your feet off the ground. Third, they're not your target audience. If your content is about building an online business, if it's teaching coding or reviewing gaming, how many of your family members genuinely care about that? Mine don't. Even if they do subscribe, they won't be engaging with your videos, which can hurt your channel's performance in the whole YouTube algorithm. Fourth, fake supporters doesn't help you. A few obligatory likes and comments from people who aren't actually invested in the content that you're making doesn't help you grow. What you need is real, organic engagement from people who are genuinely interested in what you're creating. The harsh truth is this. Friends and family won't build your business. If you're looking at YouTube as a business, you need to treat it like one. And here's a cold, hard fact. Businesses are not built on the backs of friends and family. They're just not. Business thrives on customers. Your target audience isn't your cousin or your best friend from high school. It's the people actively searching for what you're offering. Success is going to come from strangers who then become fans. The biggest YouTube creators didn't blow up because their mom shared their videos. They blew up because strangers found the content to be valuable to them. Your real audience will find you if you stay consistent instead of worrying about people you know. Focus on your thumbnails, focus on the content and what actually attracts the right viewers to your videos. Okay, so what should you do instead? First, let your content speak for itself. Instead of seeking validation from family, work on making your videos better and more engaging for your target audience. Second, find an online community, whether it's something on a Reddit group, a Discord server, a Facebook community in your particular niche. These people actually care about what you're making and can give you very constructive feedback. And finally, trust in the process. YouTube is a long game. You don't need immediate approval from people you already know. You need consistent effort, great content, and an audience that genuinely enjoys what you're creating. Okay, and here are my final thoughts. Telling your friends and family about your YouTube channel might feel like the right move, but in reality, it can actually slow you down more than it's actually helping you. Build your audience organically with the people who actually care about the content that you're making. For example, my friends and family could care less about FPV quads and traditional camera drones, or even the camera gear here behind me. They don't care, and that's okay. Your biggest supporters will be the strangers who love your content, not your friends who watch out of obligation or pity. So keep grinding, keep creating, and let the success speak for itself. With that being said, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you told people about your channel, or are you keeping it under wraps? Or maybe you haven't even started a channel yet for some of these reasons I already mentioned. Let me know your comments down below. See you guys in the next video. Take care.